Hello everyone. During my pre-final year, that is fourth year, I got an internship at Tega Industries Limited. The procedure for this company was earlier they organized a written test. It was organized by Nico Ventures Limited. The written test consisted of mainly 50% weightage on technical and 50% weightage on aptitude. The technical part consists of questions from mining, geology and basics of mineral processing, whereas the aptitude part was pretty easy and consisted of questions which we usually solve from India Bricks and other online websites. After the technical test, they shortlisted for many students for the GD round. During the GD round, they formed groups and the topics were on the current affairs and some topics were unconventional topics. From the GD round, they shortlisted 18 students for the first round of interview. The first round of interview were divided into two groups. The 9 students were taken into a technical group and 9 students were given HR. In the technical group, they mainly the interviewer which came for the technical interview, he focused mainly on the projects and the academic activities which were carried out during my course of 3 years. Whereas for the HR, as per my knowledge, it mainly focused on the extracurricular activities and little bit on the technical part. Later on, after the first round of interview, they shortlisted around 12 candidates for the second round of panel interview. The panel interview was taken by three interviewers, 2 technical guys and 1 HR guy. In the panel interview, they focused both the technical aspects as well as the academic aspects of a curriculum. Mainly they focused, as I was a student of mineral engineering, they focused on my academic project. I had my trainings. I had carried out trainings in Tata Steel as well as Tata R&D and SAIL. So they focused from all my 3 trainings. They also stressed on my academic project which was on hydrocyclones. So as the company deals with hydrocyclones, screens, crushers, so they stress more on the hydrocyclone, the principles of its operation, its functioning, and the advanced technology which are being used in hydrocyclone screening and crushers. After the second round of interview, they shortlisted 6 candidates for the final interview, which was held in Kolkata. After 6 candidates went to Kolkata, the final interview was taken by the director of that company. He mainly focused on the technical aspect, which was on the products which the company manufactures and mainly on the extracurricular activity which we perform on the college. He mainly as I was a part of the ESL, so he asked me entire what are the activities I carried out during my tenure in ESL, as well as the other activities which are carried out in our mineral engineering society and the other society I was part of. Apart from that, the main things which you need to focus for this company is you need to be sound in the technical aspects of classifications through hydrocyclone, screening operation, crushing operation and dewatering operation. As well as I would advise you to study thoroughly your academic project, which is now become an important part in each and every technical company. Apart from that, I would tell you to be fluent in your extracurricular activities and don't give vague explanation, because they are pretty talented and they know what the student does in the college and what not. As many of our seniors are there, they have a good rapport with ISM, so we should try to keep that rapport and focused on both the technical and extracurricular activities which are carried out in the college. For my juniors, I would advise them to look for new avenues, as the mining industry is undergoing a crisis and it is in the slowdown. I would tell my juniors to look for the new opportunities which are present outside India as well as in India. Like, new opportunity doesn't mean CAD, GRE and MBA. Be selfish about yourself, interact with the seniors, get into a network, try to look for the opportunities, because in the campus the companies which visit are limited, so we need to focus on our outside contacts, make new contacts, interact with seniors, ask them for referral, and try to call new companies, try to look for the new opportunities which are out there. And if anybody is willing to go out of the industry, want to go into any business or financial companies, the ideal period to start is from the third year or second year itself. So don't wait until the time gets rough and you are in the final year getting messed up, start working on coding. If you really are interested in going out of the mining or your core industry, start working from right now and be focused what you want to do in your life. Okay, start preparing from now on, and interact with as many seniors as possible. Nowadays the social networking like Facebook and LinkedIn is a useful platform to make connections, make friends and interact with seniors. Although it's not advisable to go that way, but what can we do? That's the only channel left with us, so make use of it and try to interact with as many seniors as possible and gain their knowledge and experience. Thank you.